So we have another example over here. That's the question 2. The table below shows the distribution of patient waiting time in minutes at the clinic. So we have our waiting time column over here. We have the frequency column and we have the f of x. But we can notice that with the variables or the values of the waiting time are being given, but with the frequency it is not given, and with the f of x it is given. But before we will solve this question, if you look at for the first question, for the mean time, the mean waiting time. So because of the mean waiting time, we need to find the midpoint. So, but how are you going to find the midpoint? Okay, but even before, we need to also find the f too. Okay, so I have this formula over here. That is f of x is equal to f times x, which is, so you divide both sides by what? X. So x will cancel. This side will cancel this. No, this side is the one you cancel. We need the f. Okay. So you cancel the is equal to f of x all over what? X. And this x over here is our what? Our midpoint. Okay, so let's begin with our table. And because this question is grouped table, you have four columns. It will not be 3 anymore. But we can also even add our CF, making it 5. Because very good. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So we have our waiting time 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. And we have our total. Okay. So as I said earlier on, we need to find our midpoint. That's our S. Our frequency. That's our F. And we have our F of X 10, 35, 40, 48, 51, and 44. Okay. We have our CF. Okay. So okay. So let's get the formula for the midpoint. So midpoint is equal to upper limit plus our lower limit all over 2. Okay, so we have 0 plus 4 all over 2. So it is equal to what? 2. Okay. So let's continue, please. 5 plus 9 all over 2. 10 plus 14 over 2. 15 plus 19 over 2. 20 plus 24 over 2. 22. Okay. So since we've been able to get our midpoint, we need to find our out frequency. So we have frequency f is equal to f of x f of x, that is x. Okay, so we have 10 2 is equal to 5. Yes. Okay, so you do the same for the rest. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. 48 divided by 12. 51 divided by 17. Okay, 2. Then we need to get the total. There are sum of f. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 20. And we need to get our sum of fx. That is 10 plus 35 plus 48 plus 51 plus 44 is equal to 118. So now we have our midpoint, our frequency, that's our f, and we have our fx. Now let's find our cf. Okay, let's find our cf. So cf, remember, say give us some principles when finding our cf. So the first principle is what? The first frequency is equal to the first cf. That is what? 5. Without wasting my time, we come. The total of the frequency is this last cf, which is what? 20. Okay. So we add the vertical or the diagonal. Okay, I love the diagonal a lot. So with the diagonal, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to so 14 plus 4 is equal to, and 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. That is our what? So we don't have total for CF, so you just add, you put dash over there. Okay, so when we come to our first question, the question first, the mean waiting time. So let's find our mean waiting time. So mean is equal to all over. Okay, that is, we have our 118 all over 20 is equal to 218 over 20 is 5.9, and we add our unit, that is what? Minutes. Okay, that's A. And B, the median. So because this is grouped data, we are going to use the formula for grouped median. That is, yes, to find you first find your median class first. Okay, so median class is equal to, okay, so median class is equal to n over 2 position. N is equal to 20. So 20 over 2 position. That is what? 10th position. Okay. So we now have our 10th position. Let's come to our CF. We are tracing the 10th position on our CF. 10 and 5. 10 is more than 5. It is not applicable over here. 10 and 10. Yes, so it is still in 8. So let's trace the 10 to the class. So if you trace the 10 to the class, what do you have? So that is what? 5 to 9. Okay. So we need to find our lower boundary for the is equal to the median. Okay. So the h over here is our class width. So we need to find our class width. Then we put our values inside and we go. Okay. So the LM is the class, the lower class limit. That's this. Then we have the capital N. That's our total frequency over the over 2, and we have the class cumulative frequency before, which is 5. Frequency before, which is 5. And now we are going to find our width. Okay, so we have the formula for finding our class width. Is equal to you subtract from yeah. So is equal to, okay. So now we have our, okay, we have another formula, that is plus five. 9 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. 5, sorry. Okay. So now we have our width, that is our h, which is 5.
How about the CF before? So we write the CF.
And then the CF before. We want the value before the median class. So we have
the median class is 5 to 9. So the cumulative frequency before is 5.
5. Okay, that's it.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that's 5. The median class is 5 to 9. Check. Median class is 5 to 9.
Okay, so it's 5. Okay.
So now let's put everything in the form line. No. What is the LN?
4.5 plus.
Good.
Minus our CF. We have our CF to be 5 all over,
F.
which is
No, F is what? F is what? Which one is the F? No, it's not 35. No, it's the frequency for the frequency. You are not getting So F is 5.
so if it's 5 times. That's our weight. We got our weight to be 5.
Median class.
Yes. 10.
Frequency of the median class is 5. Is there is 5.
Yes.
Yes, so let's do the computation for you. So here will be the top one will be 10 and so 5. So the bracket inside is 1. So here 5. Let me see the other. So it will be 4.5 times 5. All the ones inside the bracket will go. So it will be 4.9 times plus. Everything inside the bracket will be 1.5. So 9.5. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4.5. That's the answer.
Pause.